So I recently acquired a Solo Stove Ranger. It's a great stove. The only problem is all my firewood was cut to a larger fire pit, so it doesn't want to fit. And ideally you want your wood to fall below these gasification holes in the upper ring of the stove. So my solution was simple. The chainsaw buddy. Set of arms that clamp onto your chainsaw blade allows you to cut smaller pieces of wood without the need to have somebody else sitting there holding the wood, and makes a difficult task pretty simple. I forgot to mention, the main purpose for getting this device was if you have a long 6, 8, 10 foot branch, the weight of the rest of the branch will pretty much hold it steady while you're trying to cut it with a chainsaw. But when you're cutting short limbs or logs like that, it's kind of hard to hold them still while you're trying to cut. So having these two arms acts as another person, or a counterweight in a sense, and prevents someone having to have a partner stand there next to you holding the edge of the log, being really close to the chainsaw blade. So it makes it a lot safer for one person to do the cutting by himself.